Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit cash in Wise account. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Wise is a digital platform, so you can't directly deposit physical cash like at a bank branch. Instead, you need to use an electronic payment method. The common workaround is to first deposit your physical cash into your regular bank account or onto a prepaid debit card. Once the money is there, you can easily move it to Wise. When this works out, the bankers are moving their taxes or offering them 5 cash. Here's how to do it. Open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap the button that says Add Money. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit and select the currency for your balance, like US dollars or euros. Now, you'll choose your payment method. The options you see depend on your country, but typically include bank transfer, often the cheapest, debit card, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay, usually the fastest. If you deposited your cash into your bank account, select Bank Transfer. The first time, you'll need to link your account through a quick verification process. Once linked, you can transfer money. Transfers are low cost, but can take 1-3 business days. For instant funding, use Apple Pay or Google Pay. Just select it, confirm the amount and the small fee, and authenticate with your fingerprint, face scan, or PIN. The money arrives in your Wise balance within seconds. You can also use a debit or credit card directly. Select this option, enter your card details, and confirm. The funds will be available shortly. After your payment is confirmed, the money will appear in your Wise account. You can then use it to hold different currencies, send money abroad, or spend with your Wise debit card.